Welcome to Vibe AI, the revolutionary way to launch your own AI coding empire in under 60 seconds. Are you tired of being a, quote, digital tenant? Paying monthly fees just to use the tools that help you build your success? Every month, you pay $20 here, $30 there for AI tools like Claude, Lovable, and Replit. You're building amazing things, but you don't own the platform. You're just renting space in someone else's empire. What if you could flip the script today and become the owner? Let's talk about the old way of starting a software business. It's filled with roadblocks. Usually, launching your own software business costs thousands of dollars. You need developers, expensive APIs, and months of headache. The tech is often too complicated. Most people our age just give up before they even launch. But while you're paying those monthly fees, the big tech giants are getting richer off your hard work. It's time for the solution. Introducing Vibe AI, your breakthrough platform. This is not just another AI app. It is the world's first hard-coded infrastructure designed for entrepreneurs. Vibe AI lets you launch your own Claude-style AI coding empire in 60 seconds. Imagine the speed of deployment. The best part? No coding, no APIs, and most importantly, no monthly fees for your infrastructure. You aren't just using the tool anymore. You now own the engine, flipping the economics entirely. How does Vibe AI put you in charge? It works in 3 simple, lightning-fast steps. Step 1, deploy. Brand it instantly with your name, your logo, and your domain. Make it yours. Step 2, build. Your users type a prompt, and Vibe AI instantly generates the precise code, creating immense value. Step 3, collect. Stripe and PayPal are pre-integrated. You keep 100% of the revenue. Whether you charge monthly or yearly, you decide your pricing model. This is your moment to transform your business model. Right now, we are in the early bird launch phase. You can grab Vibe AI for the incredibly low one-time price of just $16.95. But fair warning, the price increases every single hour. This opportunity won't last long. Don't stay a subscriber forever. Become a platform owner. Click the link below, read my full Vibe AI review, and claim your empire before the price jumps.